Welcome to the Open Book, where Raj Shekhar opens his heart and mind. This is blog 12 of the 15-part series, The Ignored Crisis. This blog, Beyond Amyloid, explains the new frontiers of Alzheimer's research in a simple manner. Before we begin, here is an important matter. The information shared in this blog and podcast is meant for general awareness and education. It is not medical advice. Every treatment decision must be made with a qualified healthcare professional. Please do not start, stop, or change any treatment based on this content. For a long time, Alzheimer's research felt like it was standing still. Scientists knew some important things, but for families living with Alzheimer's, that knowledge didn't change daily life very much. The disease kept moving forward. Memory faded. Personalities changed. Caregivers carried the weight. For years, the story sounded the same. Then, quietly, around 2023 and 2024, something shifted. Not a miracle. Not a cure. But a movement. And movements matter. The old story, amyloid and tau. For decades, Alzheimer's research focused on two main aspects. The first is amyloid, a sticky substance that slowly builds up outside brain cells. It starts accumulating for years, sometimes decades, before the first memory slip. The second is tau, a protein that twists into tangles inside brain cells and is closely linked to memory loss and daily functioning. For a long time, scientists believed amyloid was the main villain. But clearing amyloid didn't always stop the disease. That led to disappointment and doubt. Then came two new drugs, lecanemab and donanemab. They were approved in the United States because large studies showed something never proven before. If amyloid is removed early, Alzheimer's can be slowed, not stopped, but slowed, in some people. This was a breakthrough. Not because it solved everything, but because it proved that Alzheimer's can be modified. There was a catch. These drugs work only for a small, carefully selected group. They require repeated MRI scans. And they carry risks, such as brain swelling or tiny brain bleeds. So science gained a tool, but not a universal answer. And that led researchers to a deeper realization. Beyond amyloid, a bigger picture emerged. Scientists began asking a bigger question. What if Alzheimer's isn't caused by one cause, but by many systems failing together? That question changed everything. The brain's immune system. Let's start with the brain's immune cells, called microglia. Think of them as housekeepers and security guards rolled into one. They clean up waste and protect brain cells. But in Alzheimer's, these cells can get confused. They may remove healthy brain connections, release damaging inflammatory chemicals, and become clogged with fat, slowing them down. Certain genes, especially ApoE4, increase the likelihood. Today, many new treatments aim to calm or reset these immune cells rather than simply attacking amyloid. Blood flow and the brain barrier. Your brain depends on a steady, clean blood flow. But in many people with Alzheimer's, the brain's protective filter, the blood-brain barrier, becomes leaky. That allows harmful substances to enter and makes waste harder to clear. Conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and silent mini-strokes can quietly accelerate memory loss. This is why doctors now say something simple but powerful. Treating the heart is treating the brain. Energy, insulin, and the brain. Your brain is an energy-hungry organ. When brain cells can't use insulin properly, they struggle to absorb glucose, their main fuel. This is called brain insulin resistance, also known as type 3 diabetes. When this happens, amyloid increases, tau damage worsens, and brain cells slowly starve. This explains why diabetes, obesity, and high cholesterol raise dementia risk, and why diabetes drugs like semaglutide are now being studied for brain health too. The gut-brain surprise. And then there's the gut. Yes, the gut. Research shows that gut bacteria differ in people with Alzheimer's. Early studies suggest that diet and gut health may influence inflammation and thinking. The science is young. The results are modest. But the message is hopeful. A healthier gut may support a healthier brain. So what lies ahead? Anti-amyloid drugs will help a small group. Tau-targeting therapies are still evolving. Immune and metabolic treatments are under intense study. Large trials of diabetes drugs may report results soon. Alzheimer's Disease International reminds us of something crucial. Progress is real, but modest. Costs and risks matter. Access must be fair. And prevention remains essential. The strongest evidence of all, prevention. According to the 2024 Lancet Commission, nearly 45% of dementia cases worldwide could be delayed or prevented by addressing risk factors across life, such as hearing loss, high blood pressure, diabetes, social isolation, physical inactivity, smoking, and air pollution. Big studies show that small, steady lifestyle changes, started early, protect memory far more than once believed. No pill matches that power yet. India's moment. India has a unique role to play. With institutions like NIMHANS, AIIMS, Enigma India, and ARDSI, Dementia India Alliance, India can lead not just in research, but in reaching people where they live. By building memory clinics, training community workers, and supporting caregivers, India can show the world how care truly works at scale. For now, new drugs are not widely available in India, and when they arrive, they will be limited to specialized centers. Where is real hope? Hope today comes from two places. From science, slowly, carefully moving forward, and from everyday life. Managing blood pressure and sugar. Staying active. Staying connected. Protecting hearing and vision. Eating well. Preventing head injuries. These are not headlines, but they are very powerful. So, where do these leave us? The amyloid era is not ending. It is expanding into something deeper. Alzheimer's is now understood as a long journey, shaped by immunity, blood flow, metabolism, lifestyle, and time. That complexity brings hope. Because more pathways mean more chances to help. For more details, please read the blog. Join me next Thursday for the next episode, Blog 13. We need to come together to explore something just as important. How do families, doctors, researchers, and policymakers work together so that progress reaches a lot more people in need, before it's too late? Thanks for joining me on The Open Book.